subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max, the company is now reportedly gearing up to launch the lower variant as Redmi Note 9 smartphone. Recently, a new Xiaomi device was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina, which is believed to be the upcoming Redmi Note 9 smartphone. The listing reveals the design of the upcoming phone along with some key specifications. According to Tina listing, the Redmi Note 9 will support a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with a hole punch at the top left corner that will house a 13-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone appears to feature a quad camera setup at the top center in a squarish module including LED flash. The quad ray cameras will include one 48-megapixel main camera, and unfortunately, the other three camera details were not listed at the moment, but it will likely include one ultra-wide-angle lens plus macro lens and a depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone is listed to come powered by an unnamed 2 GHz octa-core processor, which is expected to be MediaTek's Helio G80 chipset. The device will pack with 3, 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 32, 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. That will also support microSD expansion up to 512 GB. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 out of the box and it will come backed by 4920 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone is also seen to feature an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the phone is listed to measure at 162.3 by 77.3 by 8.9 mm and it will weight around 198 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of Redmi Note 9 has leaked so far, and it is expected to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi Note 9 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.